next task. First, I think we should remove this because we won't be needing that, and it will make our code space much better. Here it is. Let us take a look at code. Everything looks fine. Now we are here, and now we have to process all these other characters. And what are other characters? This is backspace, enter key, dot, and operations, and of course digits. So there are many characters to process, and in Delphi we can use if, then, else, etc. But a cleaner way is to use case statement, and I am sure that Delphi case statement is much better than what we have in C and many other languages. And I have used other languages, but whenever I use case statement in Delphi, I really enjoy it. It's very simple and neat and clean. So we will do as case key of what we first need, first backspace. Okay, when there is backspace, let us first see how our screen looks when it is empty. Well, currently it has a dot and 0. I think in most cases it should be as 0. So first of all, let us make it 0. Opties. So that's better. Let's go back to code. So when it is 0, so if we press backspace and it's already 0, then nothing should be done. So if edt screen dot text is equal to 0, then exit. Sorry. Then exit. Nothing will be done here. Now, this is one thing. When there are some text characters and digits, then when we press backspace, it should delete the last one. That means that we should reduce the length of that string one character. So first let us write its logic. Then exit, and if else. We have already checked that, so we can exit here, and we will see, we will say reduce screen text length by 1. Meaning delete the last character, and and it will delete. For example, there is a 1. When it will delete that 1, the screen will be completely empty, and when screen is completely empty, it should replace it again with 0, our original screen. So our next item will be if screen is empty, then change its text to 0. So this is the logic we want to implement. Let us see how we go. To reduce the screen text length by 1, we need to delete last character, and that will be edt screen.text, get this text, and we will be using the copy function, and copy needs a static string or dynamic array. From index this to count of this, it deletes. So what we will say as input is the same text. It means take the text of the edt screen, and from 0 to length of it, edt screen.text -1. Let me make it here. Let us clarify it. We see take this text from 0 to length of it -1. That means deleting the last character, and copy this to this text. And if edt screen dot text is empty, then zero. So this is what we see as Backspace implementation. Let us see it in action. One, two, three, four. 4, 3, 2, 1, and when it's empty, it becomes 0 again. If we remove this line, you see what will happen. Seven, 8, 9. It will become empty, which is an unwanted behavior. We want it to make that. So this is the implementation of Backspace. Let us move on.